In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add audio to your Canva video projects. Whether you're working with a podcast clip, some background music, or a voiceover, adding audio can really elevate your content and make it more engaging. The best part is, it's super simple. So let's dive right in. First, open up Canva and make sure your video project is ready to go. Then, look over to the left-hand side of your screen and click on the Uploads tab. This is your central hub for importing media into Canva, images, videos, and yes, audio too. Think of it as bringing your personal media library straight into your design space. Once you're in the upload section, click on the Upload Files button. You can either drag and drop your audio file right there or browse your computer to find it. Canva supports formats like MP3 and WAV, so you have plenty of options. Select your file and the upload will begin. Depending on the size of the file and your internet speed, this might take a few seconds, so hang tight. After your audio has uploaded, you'll see it appear right in your Uploads panel alongside your other media. Click on the audio file and Canva will make it ready for use in your project. This step just lets Canva know you're ready to add it to your video. Now comes the fun part, adding the audio to your video. You can do this by dragging and dropping the file directly onto your video timeline or onto the video page itself. You'll see a visual representation of the audio track appear along the timeline, which makes it easy to see where everything lines up. Before you finalize, here's a tip. If your audio is longer than your video, you can trim it by clicking on the edges of the audio track and dragging it to fit perfectly. Or, if it's shorter, you can loop it or add multiple tracks to fill the entire video length. Canva also allows you to adjust the volume of each track individually, so background music doesn't overpower your voiceover. You can even layer multiple audio files, like adding sound effects or transitions, to make your video more dynamic. Just drag in each audio file and position it on the timeline wherever you need it. It's a great way to give your project a professional touch without needing complicated software. Once everything is aligned, play back your video to make sure the audio matches the visuals perfectly. Adjust as needed, whether it's trimming, moving, or changing the volume. Adding audio doesn't just make your video more interesting, it helps capture your audience's attention and keeps them engaged longer. And that's it. You've successfully added audio to your Canva video. From music to voiceovers and layered sound effects, this simple step can make a huge difference in the quality of your projects. Thanks so much for watching and happy creating with Canva.